Hey guys, with the world being the way it is right now, we've all gone to self-tapes, right? But what if you are like me and you live in a very small space and you don't have a wall to do a self-tape space in? Because I don't, but I got this mirror. So I'm going to show you guys how I made a self-tape space, and then hopefully it can help you. So this is the largest space in my apartment that doesn't include an appliance or a bed or another piece of furniture. This is my closet. However, I was told very clearly by my landlord that we can't put any holes in the wall. So, step one, get 2 of these hooks. Affix them above your space. Step 2, I got myself a curtain rod. It's a regular, adjustable curtain rod. It says on it, it can hold like, I don't know, 5 or 10 pounds or something. It adjusts to a little over 6 feet. Step 3, bought a shower curtain. Why a shower curtain and not paneled curtains? Because a shower curtain is one sheet. You think about curtains, they're gonna be 2 smaller panels, which means right behind you, you're gonna have a split. If you don't mind that, or you want 2 different colors, or you can tape or sew them together somehow, go right ahead. I bought 1 shower curtain. It was nice and thick, it's kind of textured, good color, and this way I don't have to worry about having too much going on behind me. Just maybe a couple wrinkles, but it's really not that bad. Step 5 is to take your newly threaded curtain rod that includes your shower curtain and hang it up. Just pop those suckers right onto your hooks, which again are affixed to the wall but not nailed in. Ta-da! And the last thing you need is a tripod. Now, I don't currently have a tall tripod, but I did have this little guy. So what did I do? I improvised. This way I sort of have a standing desk for my laptop and a tripod if I need it. So that's my setup, guys. Let me know if it helped.